I thank Toro for going through and sending me this phone holder for your vehicle. You'll be able to have the MagSafe right here, and it does also include wireless charging. You do use the wire for this, but it will use the wireless charging when you set it on here, which is going to be really nice. And you can go through and attach this to your dash. It'll suction cup down, and this is bendable as well. So we will bend it to meet the specifications of my wife's vehicle as we install it here. But first, I want to kind of give you a quick look. Let me show you the unboxing. When we're opening it up here, it's going to be all one piece pretty much. The cord does have a regular USB or USB-C, so it does have an adapter if you need it to be the old school USB. And we're just going to go through and have this to be able to stick on the dash. First, you're going to need to clean the dash off, and then you're going to stick and press, lock it, and then wait 15 minutes. And you are able to reuse this after washing the plate over. So you will need a USB-C or USB port in your vehicle to plug this into to go through and get the wireless charge. Keep that in mind. And also, like I said, this part's bendable. Let's go through and go to the car and show you how it's set up. So there you have it. We're all set up in the car, and it was pretty simple to do. And you can see we can move it to wherever we want. Now my wife will be able to go through and have this charging and also have something to just snap her phone onto.